Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Elf Collab and Challenge. I hope you had better luck with flowers than I did. All of our flowers came up, mid-March, and were gone soon after. And now it's cold, but we haven't mowed our lawn until today, and we're fighting the dandelions. So that's about the best I could do. Thank you to Penny of Playful Reborns, Tina of Tina's Reborns and More. I'm laughing because Katie is here helping Darren, if you can see the camera moving. And Dory's Dollies. Oh no! Thank you, Dory at Dory's Dollies, Penny at Playful Reborn, and Tina at Tina's Reborns and More. Please go by and see not only their channels, but every channel in the collab challenge today. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.